Yo, what's happening? What's up, guys? I lost my chat there. Del Stone, Amit, what's going on? Nate, fresh coat of snow. Nice. Very gloomy and nasty. Government shutdown, Vince. I don't know. Is there? James, Marco, what's going on, guys? I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. Hey Dylan, what's going on? Honest take, what's happening? My girlfriend has forbidden me to trade tonight, but I'm here to wish you. All right, honest take, appreciate that. John, crazy day. What a crazy day. Market is open, guys. Market is open. I have a few tradeifys that are close to being blown. So I'm gonna trade these, but Vince, funny. Lonnie, what's going on? How's it going? Quite the wild day. I don't know. I didn't do too well today. I made money. Blew some funded accounts, which just seems to be the norm. Blew some evals. Yeah, just not feeling it. I did not sleep well last night. I got these starter accounts way up. That's another account I'm gonna trade too. I got my funded future starter accounts way up to 54,000. But yeah. GHCHB, what's going on? Do I have a track record? Depends who you ask. Yeah, I'm profitable. Profitable trader. Money. Yeah, GHCHB. This is the only thing I do for a living, so that puts it in perspective. Currently up. Amelia, what's going on? Keegan Murphy, what's going on? CHB, what's going on? Thank you for the sub, CHB. Appreciate it. Periodic trader, how many funded accounts do you have? Right now, so I've been struggling on the props, to be honest with you guys. Personal account, I am doing really well lately. Props, not so good. I currently have 3 my funded futures funded, 1 Take Profit Pro, and 1 Bulenox funded. So yeah, not doing too hot. So yeah, currently up for the year, which is not great, I know. $22,430 on the personal account. So as you can see right here, I'm up $22,430 on the personal. I made $268 today, but it wasn't a great day. I dug myself out of a little bit of a hole, so yeah. All right, chat's going crazy. All right, guys. Lonnie, what's going on? Keegan, I think I saw you. Periodic, what's up? I don't know what you mean by track record, GHCHP. I don't know. I keep track every day. Like, what do you mean track record? Like, what do you want to see? If you're just new to the channel, I'm very transparent. You can ask anyone in this chat. I have nothing to hide and I have nothing to sell you. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So, if you want to use my codes, then use my codes. If you don't, then don't. I don't care. What's up, Alyssa? What's going on? Hey, with no fear. Went to Vegas. New YouTube money last night. No, I did not. Oh, yeah. So last year, CHB. So last year, I got my very first payout. I've been trading since 2021. Got my very first payout. Pushing up here. Let's see. And I haven't missed a payout like in months. Over a year. I mean, I get a payout like every. But yeah. So yeah, check out my Twitter here. So 2021, I started. I got no payouts. 2022, 2023, no payouts. 2024, I got my very first payout, and then I made $60,000 in payouts that year. Of course, I took a couple breaks, you know, but yeah, CHCB. I mean, I literally make hardly any money on YouTube or affiliate links. I make like $20 a day. So, so yeah, I mean, this is like how I make money with payouts. I go through a lot of accounts, but I keep track of my ROI every single day of what I make. So like if I make $268 today on a personal account, then I keep track. If I blow up and reset like $100 worth of evals, then I subtract it from the 268, if that makes sense. 168. So that's what I do. Anyways, all right, that's a lot of talking. Where did my water go? My back hurts today too. It's not helping. Boy, I slept like crap last night. But yeah, there was no fear, no. Knock on a pine tree? Yeah. Yeah, I make no money from YouTube yet. I mean, you guys were very generous last night with the donations, so I made a little bit, but... I don't know what track... I don't know CHCB. Hey, you do you, bro. Track record. I don't know what track record is, man. I keep track every single day of my expenses. No, I have not. I'm not married, and don't have any kids. No, Alyssa. And I don't know how to make spreadsheets, so no spreadsheets. All right, guys, let's back to the markets here. How fast can I run the 1600? I don't know. I used to be able to run a mile in like 5 minutes, but not anymore. It'd take me about 5 days now. Hey, Butch. Yeah, arm trades. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, my police record? Never had a parking ticket. If that says anything. I've never even had a parking ticket. I am as clean as a whistle. My FX book are Darwin X. No. I don't know anything about that CB. So yeah. Right, Alyssa. We gotta push it up higher, guys. Yeah, I'm as clean as a whistle when it comes to my criminal record. I used to work for the federal government. Sort of. I mean, the younger stepbrother of the federal government, which is the Postal Service. But yeah, no, I have a very clean record too. Not to say that everyone that works at the post office has a clean record, because you don't really need one, but but yeah, you sort of do. All right, 340s now. Nice push up, nice spike. We got $30, 36 points. So how did everyone else do today? I think I got distracted. Someone was asking me how I did today. So I ran up my MyFunded Future accounts by $3,000 each. So those are at like $4,500 each. Kind of blew the consistency out of the water, but the way I look at it is that I have some, some wiggle room. I have some buffer to build those accounts up. Everything else was pretty much red. Personal account, I was up $268, but I did dig myself out of a hole. So I'm not really happy with my trading today at all. It's been a really solid month, but yeah. He's a Fed. Yeah, no, not anymore. I'm really not prepared. I gotta grab a water. I thought I had it up here. You did federal contracts. Nice. Steven, what's going on? Zabak, how's it going? Eric Lake, what's happening? Oh yeah, I was a rural carrier too, Amelia, so yeah. I had to have a squeaky clean driver's record, and I still do. Knock on wood. I think I've been pulled over twice. One was for running a red light. The guy just gave me a warning. And the other time was I had a taillight out. It's the only time I've ever been pulled over in my life. But you guys keep using my code, and then I start getting some Lamborghinis, then things might change. Just totally kidding, guys. Just joking. These right here, the green and red ones, it's just orders popping up. Dell. Yo, Jim. So, who has the better deal right now? Take Profit Trader, Blue Sky, both daily payouts, no activation fee. Blue Sky, but Blue Sky's $99 all accounts. I mean, I don't really know too much about Blue Sky's bot, to be honest with you. I keep saying it. I gotta do more research on it, because I know some of you guys do like them. But, yeah, I mean, I like Take Profit Trader right now. That's just because I use them, but that does sound like a pretty good deal with Blue Sky. But isn't there like 2 steps or something? Oh, and Blue Sky's rhythmic too, yeah. Hey, full-time trader, what's going on? Yes, that's the key. That's my track record, is Harami candles. I full send Harami candles. Nice one right there. 350. Did you guys catch some of that? I did. Thankfully. Got me out of the hole. Alright, still pushing up, guys. I am going to trade minis. This account does only have $698 left to draw down. Just need to wait for a setup here. Right now we're just parabolic, 350s. Okay, yeah, that's a good point. So take profit trader is intraday. Blue sky is still end of day even when you go. Well, Rhythmic is just Dylan. Rhythmic is just the platform. So like the R Trader Pro is what they call Rhythmic. So that way you can connect like Quantower. When they say static, that means that the drawdown doesn't move. So it stays. Hey, Anna, what's going on? Appreciate everyone stopping in. It was quite the day today. Believe it or not, I actually didn't do that much trading, but I did get myself into a hole and I got out of it. And yeah, can't continue that stuff. I know that leads to one thing, and that's a blow up. And you don't want to do that on the personal account. Continue to push higher. 350s now. Vince, they do, but it's not great. It's not great. He blew up one top step X, Anna, and another one, 1K drawdown. Yeah, I've been struggling, Anna, with top step lately. I've been not patient, trying to push it. Yeah, that's right. Our trader, Vince, is the Rhythmic mobile, and it's pretty much only good to like exit a trade, like if you lose internet or something. Pushing higher here, 334s. But yeah, I gotta grab a water. Sorry guys, I'm really not prepared. All right, pulling back to the VWAP here. We need at least $5,000 draw. Yeah, I know. That's the thing is some of these. I mean, they're small, and when I like to trade. I like to trade bigger size sometimes, so sometimes I pay for it. Daily showing possible ups bounce on the daily. Yeah, I mean it really. I don't know about you guys, but it really feels like trading all-time highs. It's difficult. I mean, just look at the daily on the NQ. It's like in your mind you're thinking, "Oh, we're due for a bounce." It's like we're due, but I mean, you get little bounces and stuff, but it just hasn't happened. So, but yeah, it's almost like trading all-time highs, You think it's going to pull back at any moment, and it just keeps on going. Hey, Fred, what's going on? All right, Fred, appreciate you. Reinvesting the giveaway money. Thank you, appreciate it. One step closer to a Lambo. One step closer. All right, look at that bounce off the VWAP, guys. The VWAP lately, the overnights has just been paying. Watching gold too. Watching some gold. I do have a My Funded Future starter account pulled up on the other screen as well. I did pass a Take Profit Pro account, so should have that soon. I think I gotta flip it. I should have it by Monday, I think. Very excited. I want more Take Profit Pro accounts. So when I have those pro accounts, I feel like I don't even want to trade my personal account. Not with the daily payouts. Would we leave these equal highs here? We did. I'm gonna take a stab. Yeah, this account doesn't have much drawdown at all. So it's a smash or pass. Full transparency there. I got like 600 bucks. See if we can take out those equal highs. Bounce off the VWAP. Blue 100K Pro midday today. Oh, yeah, today was another, well, it's almost becoming typical. Yeah, Alyssa, I know their dashboard has been slow, but they're getting so popular. I think they're going through some growing pains. You made some points? Oh, on that points. Oh, nice. Yeah, they did get pretty big. Yeah, everyone's talking about them now. Hey, Futures Forever, what's going on? My back is sore today. My sciatica. Like, I gotta... You know what that is? Sitting too much. I'm doing too much trading. Tomorrow, need to hit the gym. Get some good stretches in. Maybe even sit in the massage chair. All right, 930s right here. Looking for the little pop above to take out these equal highs. Could slip down below the VWAP here. We'll see. Kind of looking rolly. This is more of a guess than an actual setup. It's one of a guess trade. Oh, nice, Delstone. Awesome. Good for you, man. Working on that new strategy. That's awesome. Planning to get loaded on TPT with the locked-in payouts, though? Yeah. That's what I want to do, Fred. For sure. I want to have them... I'd like to have them all spread out. I want some Tradeifys. I want some Apex. I want some Bulanox. I want some Top Steps. I want some Take Profit Traders, My Funded Futures. Alright, breaking down below the VWAP here. Probably be a better entry right there, 116s, but we'll let it go. Like I said, this is smash or pass, full transparency. Do not follow my trades, guys. Do not follow my trades, please. Nice, Delstone. Yeah, smash the like button. Shown. I think there's a way to do that, Delstone, but I don't know. I don't do it. Gold is pushing up higher. Gold's really looking good for the long. Very bullish candle there. I know very little about Streamlabs still. I barely got it to work. How do I get my screen to work on the live? It's kind of complicated, Dell. To be honest with you, I don't even. There's some good YouTube videos on it. It took me a whole weekend to figure it out. To be honest with you, if something happens to this computer or stream, I'm probably gonna have to take like 2-3 days off just to figure it back out again. I am a complete boomer idiot when it comes to technology. So we are long here. We're long 322.50 on the My Funded Future eval, and we're long 335 on the eval. But yeah. Yeah, I know. This thing is getting to be tired. I am not sold on getting more active with Tradeify trading the advance, and I don't see much benefits in the structure. I like the gross. Yeah, I like the gross, Fred. I really do. The gross kind of remind me of My Funded Futures a little bit with starters. I still think the starter accounts are better, but Top that lady voice that says order filled changed. It's freaking me out. Oh yeah. Sitting is pretty bad for you. I stand up at desk, walking treadmill. Ooh, getting a little flush there. Just kind of still hanging out there. Yeah. Yeah, no, you're not wrong. Futures forever. I do work out every day. I just really slacked the last 2 days. I've been really slacking. Yeah, yesterday I didn't even do any walking either, and today I didn't either. So tomorrow, definitely, 100%. Might even after the stream hit the treadmill. But yeah, sitting is really bad for you. All right, so still in a long here. Been long in 2 accounts here, both evals. And the nice thing, Fred, is the My Funded Future accounts, you get an extra $500 a drawdown. Tradeify, you don't. YM's closing the gap. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. So this is what other streamers do. I'm totally kidding, by the way. This is what they do real quick. When you guys are not looking, they just go like that. They pull it over. See how fast that was? And then they say, look at that. I'm up $400. Look at it. Look at it go. Totally joking. But yeah, we are averaged in at 322.50 on the My Funded Futures. I am in heavy. I had a little more drawdown left in that one. You see Tiger do that? Tiger's the one that goes in and smashes my dislike button every day. I know it is. Tiger, if you're listening, I know it's you. I know it's you. You punch the monitor? I know. I need a monitor. I need another monitor. I like to have one of those curved, like big curved ones or something, or just like 2 more. But I don't think my PC could handle it. I'm trimming some off My Funded Futures. I'm trimming some off. Had a really good entry there at 322, so just got 1 left on there. That one I was in heavy with 3 minis. But yeah, I'd love to get some of these past. Still feel like I'm in rebuilding mode. I feel like I don't have enough, enough accounts. I think we take out these equal highs. I'm going to add a contract. This could nuke the account if we get a pullback here. Just so you know. But we left equal highs right here, you see. From that 305 candle to here, 610. So I feel like we at least sweeped it. We'll take one off if we breach the highs there, and then take another one off. Or move both to break even. Now, break even. See if we sweep there. EMAC, what's going on? Competition, Tiger, yeah. Yeah, he's a good guy. He's cool. I like Tiger. He cracks me up at night. He really does. Cracks me up. All right, we're sending this. Almost full port on this, but not quite. Actually, no, I think you can use 5 contract. Oh, come on. All right, well, maybe we'll get a little pullback here. Well, we're still in this trade, so let's just pull this one over. If you guys are just watching, I just got stopped out break even on the Tradeify account. But we're still in a trade over here on the My Funded Future account. Actually up 938 bucks. So she's running. It's quicker. That was quick change. Get a little bit of better entry on this account. Playing games, I don't know. Haven't gotten an invite. Hey, Corey the Phone Trader in the house. What's going on? The Nightly Watch List, Tiger, NASDAQ Anonymous. Oh yeah, I watch NASDAQ Anonymous, Nate. I watch NASDAQ Anonymous sometimes. Kind of forgot about him. Full port. So this stop is at break even. I'm gonna let it run. I think we could take out the highs. 49.50. Might pull back, bounce off the VWAP or something, but the YOLO Harami. Is the sound okay, everyone, with the music and my voice? Because I had to, so I kept getting copyright strikes with the music, so I had to create my own playlist with non-copyright music. Because I like to have a little background noise for my own sanity. So yeah, they're not really strikes, Amelia. They're just, yeah, they're not allowing me to monetize some of my previous videos, so I had to pay for this website, but it's only like $8.99 a month. But I can create my own playlists and stuff, so it's kind of neat. But and I only just like created a playlist in about 2 seconds before I got on stream. So I'm gonna work on that a little bit. I want a little mix in there, a little hip hop, a little synthwave stuff, you know, a little bit of instrumental, maybe guitar stuff. I'm gonna have like create a mix. So But it's an experiment because supposedly I don't get copyright strikes. So there we go. We broke the highs there. See if this puppy can run. Wow, nice. Let's lock in some, huh? Let's lock in 400 bucks of this Monopoly money on this eval. Yeah. Jermaine Ross, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Appreciate the sub, guys. And if you're new to the channel, and I didn't see that you're a new sub, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, Alyssa, and then I end up regretting it by the morning time, usually. Sometimes I'll trade them and do okay, you know, and that kind of gets you pumped up. But yeah, usually I'm digging myself out of a hole when the New York session opens up by trading my funded accounts. That's usually what happens. So. There we go. What a nice push there. 610s now. Up a G right now, unrealized. Should have just left 3 on. But I had to take some off after that nice push off 322. I don't know. I think we could run. Might come back and hit my trailing stop here, but right now we're up to 350s. But yeah, what a dump day. I don't know about you guys, but this is what caught me. This morning we had the PPI numbers. And I ended up trying to do a breakout long, thinking we were going to take out this data high here. This wick up top at 600 even. And boy, did I get burned on that one. Try to take a little momentum play. I go, oh yeah, we're going to take it out. Right around here. So yeah, we're going to take out that. Nope. And we ended up getting this. Right down. Playing games, it's the slippage and patience that gets people during these sessions. They used to, oh yeah, 100% playing games. That's 100% correct because, you know, sometimes a lot of the NQ, like my trades are based on discretion just from the feel of the candle. Just from watching these charts, just having your 10,000 hours in, you know. So yeah, in this session, I can't get a feel of it because, I mean, it's just jumpy and so I just really have to be patient, you know, kind of look for things like those equal highs and things like that. Quickly took a trade before taking the kids to school, didn't set a stop, accidentally came back to the negative. Oof. DCA 14 minutes to get green. Oh, wow, Nate. You got lucky. All right. Nice push here. Nice trade. If you're just tuning in, I did slide this screen over after we got stopped out on this account. So, full transparency. But yeah, nice entry. Nice push there. All right, let's lock in 600 bucks there. Fraud. Look at this beautiful trade. Just rocket ship, guys. Where are we headed? 396. New 5-minute candle here. You know what? Let's trail it a little just under this candle here. Just an eval here, so let's see if we can get a nice 396.25. I know I could never do this full time consistently, getting defrauded by the scam decks. I only trade gold. Right, yeah, and Russell. Yeah, it's tough, man. For the channel, Ace Mentorship. I trade this for the channel. And I'm usually sitting on my couch working on evals anyway. So, yeah, that's why I trade this session. People are like, huh? It's true. Breakouts and breakdowns are rare in this session too. People keep expecting trend change, something like New York session. Yeah, I know. Yeah, for sure. I know, Amelia. You're all good. So how do you trade these sessions, playing games? Dang. Boom, there we go. Past another combine. Nice. Good for you, man. Shown grads. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, it's all about like watching it, you know. Full-time trader, just tons of screen time, really. Tons of screen time, but yeah, I just kind of started with it and then I never stopped. Back in 2021, I would bounce to different things like ES and whatever, but so hard. Finding the YM easier to trade than the NQ later. Yeah, no, Dan, YM's great. I should be trading more YM as well. A lot less wicks, yeah, for sure. It doesn't do that. It doesn't just like do that NASDAQ nasty like stop you out and run stuff. Too bad. Joy of missing out on this move right now. Yeah, we are kind of parabolic right now, which is good for our trade. I'm just kind of hoping it doesn't pull back too much. I'm really looking to let this one run. So pull this over here and look at gold as well. Gold is kind of stair-stepping higher. Gold is. Jomo. Yeah, I know, that's funny. I like trading the scam decks as the battered wife syndrome just keeps. Yeah, it does. It just fits my personality more for some reason. I like knowing that I'm like wrong or right, like within a few seconds. Sometimes. But yeah, it's definitely addicting. They said, what did they say? The Take Profit Trader CEO said that like 80-something% trade NASDAQ on the firm. And I don't really know any YouTubers that trade. Some trade ES, but it's pretty rare. I think there's one person that trades YM, that's Stoic, and then me. I think we're like the only two people that trade YM at all. And you don't even see me trading it that often, but gold's pulling back. Rug pull on gold. Yeah, gold is just Hey Trav, what's going on? Yeah, for sure. Oh, it's volatile, shown for sure. For sure. The Widowmaker or the Lambo Maker. I like it playing games. It's true. The Widowmaker or the Lambo Maker? Well, I think a lot of the YouTubers get the Lambos from trading the NQ from YouTube, but I know what you're saying. Don't really like that Harami there. Showing a little resistance here at the this little top 374s. We break the highs, and this Harami here will be invalidated anyway, which is what we want to see. Thinking about exiting. Yeah, I'm gonna exit here. Nice trade there, up $1,295 on that. And on the other account that we're down $6.52. We could keep running here, but I'm just gonna wait. That was a pretty big rejection, came right back in here, putting this little Harami, so I think we could take out the 397s. Just wick up here. I think it's possible. I think most new traders. Hey Michael, what's going on? Giannis, what's going on? Traded ES for a year when learning, then discovered NQ. Yeah, I kind of discovered NQ first. My brother was trading ES a lot. We were both learning at the same time, and I just gravitated towards NASDAQ, and he just could not. He could not understand it. Like, he was like, "What are you doing?" And yeah, I just got addicted to it. I think most new traders would great benefit to get profitability for 5 to 10 times faster by avoiding the scam decks. I've thought about that, full-time trader, when I was struggling. I was like, you know, if I just trade YM, you know. But yeah, because there's tricks to it, like NASDAQ, there's tricks and weird nuances and discretion, and, you know, there's just tricks to it. So I'm going to put up the account thing. I don't like looking at it, but just to show that we're actually trading and not just chatting. The other one's break even, the other account. Where's the order? It's the other thing I take off when I'm trading by myself is the orders. I hate looking at those too. Fills and orders. Alright, there's the fills and orders there. Starter account's looking good there, 54,199. Looking marvelous. But I've been doing that lately. I come out swinging on day one, which I like to do on new funded accounts, but then I have not been consistent lately. Not been consistent. And I think the reason why is because I'm making money in my personal account. It's usually the other way around. But I'm missing some chat here. Gold's wicked me out last night, and then it was going to 3,000. Yeah, I just see that, Dan. I was like, oh man, gold's up 3,000. Finally. Too bad I'm not holding any. Your Lambo day is coming, just no YouTube yet? Yeah, right. When I get my studio, I'm going to Pinto practice. Background and one of the lava lamps that I've always sold. Little hippie vibes. You'd probably like my workout room. It's very hippie vibes down there. I meditate down there too, so. Oh no, it's a good hustle, man. For sure. I mean, it's getting to the point now, full-time trader, where because of your guys' support and this nighttime stream has made it worth it for me. So yeah. It's great. Channel's growing. NASDAQ is like a casino. Yeah, 100%. 100% like a casino. It's like it's just a legal ATM casino. It's just this. Yeah, for sure. Like so when I trade playing games, when I trade YM, it's very mechanical. I have some mechanical strats that I use. Nice little inside bar there. Will you hop back in our long here? What do you guys think we're running? I think we go 397s. Alright, this is going to be tight. Ooh, bad fill. As soon as I went to click the order button, it jumped. I got out. I got out. I was trying to get in right here. Alright, we'll wait. As literally as soon as I clicked the buy button, it jumped. Conspiracy. Russell's the calmest. I used to watch Russell a little bit, righty. Back when I was first learning. Yeah. There's some that traded NQ very successfully. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm getting better at it. I know some pretty good NQ traders. There's some in the chat that are pretty good. Alfred Haywood, I know he's pretty good at trading NQ. Terry trades 100. Very good at trading NQ. Better than me. Yeah. 5 minutes set up to short 359, 3049, but she has been bullish, so you could bull flag. Yeah, it feels real. Oh, there's the push there. See? Right off that inside bar there, that's one of the strats I like to take. I went to click the market order, but it had jumped. So now we're just FOMOing. I really think we get up there though. 396. Don't know when, but I think we do. I think we run that. That's the bull flag? Yeah, for sure. That was a little bull flag. Drop down in the smaller time frame. Probably looks pretty flaggy. Oh, this is a nice one right there. Kind of missed that. 3 minute. I don't want to get in now if we pull back to 368. I don't want to jump in then. Because then we could start pulling back, you know, into this area, possibly 350s, before we make the run back up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. You're looking at 387? Yeah, I can see that. See that. Christian Thompson, too close to the end of the full hour for my strat. Gotta sit on my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands too. I mean, we're up pretty big on this account right now. Try not to give any back, but well, I mean, it's linked to my investment account, which is a mistake. I need to change that. So there's a fair amount of money in it, Amit. Yep. And I don't really take withdrawals unless I need to pay some bills. But I usually pay most of my, like 90% of all my bills are paid with payouts. So what I do is if I make money in the personal account, I just buy more investment stuff. If that makes sense. But it's really not safe to have that all linked together. Pushing up 380s now, having some FOMO. 20K can do 15 minis, yeah. I'm only allowed like 2 because I don't leave much cash in there. But with the margin, I can trade like 2 minis. So, which is a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, I don't want to trade 15 minis on personal. Well, I don't. I mean, I'd love to get to that point someday, but playing games, yeah. I mean, I just adapt. I mean, I trade my personal account, so I'm someone that can be profitable in a personal account, and props. So I use them both as tools. But yeah, I mean, if they went away, I just trade personal. But they ain't going away. They're not going away. The CME, for what I think, this is just my opinion. There's no facts or anything. They want money from the props and stuff. They want some cut. So that's why they're trying to push people to live and stuff. Because they want commissions, in my opinion. Yeah, you can get margin called quick. I've had those calls before. Margin calls. Yeah, they want that live data fees. They want those fees. They want the commissions. They want. And after the fast track, rug pull and stuff, I think people started really looking into it. That's just my opinion, but definitely a risky event. Yeah, I'd love to be able to start putting on size, like start trading $100 a point and stuff in the personal account. I would love to be able to start doing that, but I just can't handle it right now. 1 or 2 minis is plenty for me to handle, and even that is a little scary sometimes. But I pretty much only trade minis and personal. Still pushing up here, 382. Really don't have much of a setup. Having a little FOMO. Should have just stuck with this long, but we started putting in this little Rami, this little pullback here, and I got out. Got scared. I paper handed it. Oh, I would have slept good tonight, guys. I did not sleep good last night. Last night was rough. I don't know if anyone else is like that. I don't sleep good when there's a leading up to a full moon. I'm very restless leading up to a full moon. I know it sounds a little kooky, but it's true. Yeah, sure, full-time trader. Yeah, no, you're right. I've gotten them before, with the $10,000 accounts and stuff like that, putting them in the brokerage. You put it in a $10,000 account, and start to blow it. All right, that song was a little lame, so I'm taking that one out. Got 5,200. Nice push there. We were up 1,200 on the Z-Val here. Would have been up probably that much if I would have just left my 3 minis on. But what a rug pull there. 382s. Now I'm not having the FOMO. Nice work though, Smokey. Blood Moon tonight. Yeah, shown. Yeah, exactly. I'm a werewolf. I know, Trev. I'm telling you, it's weird. I know when there's some weird full moon, blood moon, something, like, without even looking. I just get very restless. Plus, like, Honest Take was saying, he messaged me and said a lot of dopamine from last night's stream with the donations and stuff, which was great. And I really appreciate that, guys. That was something. Really unexpected. Shout out to you guys that donated. Patty, Mo, Dylan, and Dell. They have Mo Lester, yeah, in the house. There he is. Hey, D-Jax, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. What a pullback, Dell. 360s now. But yeah, it was great. I was ecstatic. I was like, I can't believe it. It definitely like made me not get upset when YouTube was like, I'm not gonna monetize any of your previous videos because of the music. So I was just like, oh, which, you know, I mean, how much money am I gonna really get from YouTube? Like $10, but hey, something. But yeah, I was just like, and then he says you can go in and like erase the music and stuff, and I was like, I'm not doing that because it takes too long. It takes forever. I'm thinking, I don't know. All right, got a pullback here, 350s here. Kind of like what we were thinking. This might be a good entry long here, but we'll see what this candle does. But yeah, I'm a little tired, overtired. YOLO for the Lambo. I'm ready to get 150K full port. All right, buddy. I have done it. I have full ported 150Ks before. Not funded accounts though. But I do full port my evals sometimes. We are really struggling lately with the props. The beatbox trader, Trev? Well, I thought about making some of my own tracks or something, but I'm not very good at that either. So yeah, so I just bought this website here. I'm gonna start making a real playlist. I wanted to just get something on. If you don't full port 8 valves, are you even a real trader? I know. Playing that prop game, you know, playing games. Hence your name, you know, playing games. That's exactly how it feels, playing games. And then, you know, the idea is, like, the reason why I struggle is, like, when I'm trying to play the combine grind and the eval grind is you get in that mentality, you know, of full porting and stuff, and then when you get the funded accounts, you tend to be in that same mentality a little bit, and that's like lately that's where my mind has been, and my funded accounts have not been lasting very long, and so I really need to take a break, slow down, and, you know, get focused again. So we've been on a pretty good hot streak to start the year, so, but I'm in a little bit of a slump when it comes to the props. Personal account, absolutely on fire, but I like payout. Hey, those sim money payout checks, they hit the bank just as good. So, all right, coming back here, rated at the 355s. So, what's the cheapest 150K eval? The cheapest? It'd probably be Apex, Vince, right now. Yeah, last day too. Apex and Bulanox, guys. Get them in. Use code PINE. My only, really my only 2 codes. So, but you guys have been using them, and I really appreciate it. So, if you guys use those prop firms, feel free to use my code. I appreciate it. I use those prop firms. I get payouts from those prop firms. I also use my funded futures, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, and Tradeify. I do have a Tradeify link too, guys. If you guys trade in Tradeify, use my link like Amelia did, and use the default code MAR for the 35% off. Really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. All right, so we're pulling back here, almost to 350s there. It's a good thing I didn't try to FOMO in along there. I was being patient and wait to see what this candle did, and glad I did. So wait to see if we get a break of the 368s possibly for a long, or maybe a VWAP touch. But right now we're just gonna wait to see what happens here. Kind of left this wick up here, and at 397-ish, 396. But yeah, we'll see. You think they extend it? I hope so. Yeah, 125 to activate, yeah. Yeah, use my code, guys. Appreciate it. Don't get Patrick Whelan another Lambo, guys. He only has like 3 Lambos. I don't know if you guys saw his tweet, but holy cow, that guy's making some coinage. He's making $20,000 a day on his fishing boat. I'm gonna take this long here. Yeah, Vince, I love Take Profit Trader. But yeah, as far as all in though, yeah. Take Profit Trader, 50K, 119. Use code TerryTrades100, all caps. Personal friend of mine, so. Because Take Profit Trader won't give me a code. No, they're like my favorite. They moved the goalpost on me once again. They say, oh, you get 1,000 subs. Okay. So I'm almost to 1,000 subs. But then they were like, oh, no. We meant 2,000 to 3,000. I hope you guys, I hope someone from Take Profit Trader is listening right now. When I see randos on Twitter throwing their codes everywhere. All power to them. Hey! Woodchip, what's going on, man? Hope you had a good day. It's kind of crazy markets. Yeah, full-time trader for sure. Show us the Lambo. No Lambo here. Get $1 million sport fish boat. Nice. Yeah, it's definitely we do not live in the state that own a nice boat, really, because you can only use it for like 3 months. All right, kind of get a little trapped there. Giving back some profits. We'll give it some room. We're up pretty big on this account. It is an end-of-day account, so. I'm looking to take out the highs. Possibly. Technically, the stop would go in here. And you would target the highs. Up here. On the setup. Amit, I can go fishing with PW. Well, I did mention once on a tweet, I said, hey, I'll take you deer hunting up here in Maine. You take me fishing down there in Florida. And he says, anytime. He said, deal, anytime. So I think that type of deep sea fishing and stuff looks pretty fun. I'm not much of a fisherman, but I mean I do fish, but I'm not much of a fisherman, but that deep sea stuff down in Florida, that looks like a lot of fun. Here we go. Push it. Let's add 2. Super aggressive here. Take me out of 1 at least. Ah, 4,500 fins of drawdown. 15 contracts, I think. I mean, yeah. But that fishing looks pretty fun. I'd probably get seasick though. There we go. See if we can snap the highs here. Or do we double top? Plenty of time on this 5-minute here. So this is just a little harami setup that I like to play. You see this pattern a lot. Well, the wicks down, the body closes within this candle here, and then you just place a stop. You enter on the break of that candle, place a stop below, and then target this mother candle here. So, will it work? Well, it's trying to. I might be getting a little greedy. I didn't quite sweep the high, but this is the slow market, so. Full port wood chip. No. To be honest with you, wood chip, I used the whole account. So there's only like $650 of drawdown. So I essentially used the account as the stop loss. So I knew like once I got that account built up that I was probably gonna get denied. All right, I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick there. I'm gonna take 1 off there. Leave the runner. That was the second entry here. Alright, stopped out. So we got this count up 1486 now for the day. Right back to the daily loss limit that I hit today. So back up to 50,000. So not bad. Not too bad. Let's see. Back in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, I had that one funded, wood chip. I had it built up so big too, wood chip. So mad at myself blowing that account. I had it up to like 5 grand. Really sucked. Yeah, just a little tilt session. I blew that thing. Fuel, ice, bait, tackle. Sometimes I hire captain for the day. Oh, nice. Full-time trader. Yeah, my uncle's big into boats. He has a pretty big boat. It's not super nice. It's older now, but it's huge. But if I lived in Florida, heck yeah, I'd have a boat. My father has a little ski boat up here, but because he has a little tiny camp on some stream up here. It's not even really a lake. But it's been in the family forever, and it's completely fallen over. And then the last few years, we've been we tore it down and started building a new camp, just slowly, like out of pocket. Yeah, it's not too far from me. And we have a little tiny I don't even know what it is, like a little stingray boat or something, just a little bow rider thing. But yeah. Lobster catching? Yeah. Yeah, for sure, Nate. That's it, right? And that's what I cannot do with my look at another this is a good short entry, possibly. Kinda missed it there. See, this is the same pattern that we just did. Same pattern. Harami, Harami, Harami long, Harami short. So let's just let's see. Let's take it. Heck with it. Target 356. I got it in a little late on that, so let's just see. Entry should have been 5 points higher, but this is essentially the exact same setup, if that makes sense. And I've done this where I take one long, close out, take one short, hit target again. Done that. I did that, I don't know, a few days ago. Reason I'm asking is because I started an eval, made 315 on one micro, thinking once I get to 1300 profit, I can switch to a higher size. Yeah, which have nice work though. One micro. Today was the market to do it for sure. Come on. Let's push down there. What is the low of this candle? Low 156.75. Move the stop to break even now. Risk off. Come on, push it. Just give me a few more ticks. There we go. Bang. Fucking on fire. So yeah, that was just two of my setups I trade all the time. Smash the like button on that one, guys. Come on. I took it long and then I took it short. On an eval though. But no, I trade my funded accounts that same pattern all the time. If you guys are interested, I will post my little strat video I made. It's very quick if you're a new subscriber. Thanks, Nate. A little lucky on that one. I tried to build them up playing games pretty aggressively. My funded accounts. I don't really look at like trying to stay under the consistency or anything. I just look at like the trade itself. So like if I'm in a good trade, if it's running, if it's building up big, then I just let it run. And when I get to a payout, I take the absolute max every single time. But I kind of like, once I reach that point, it's like I get what I get out of it. Sometimes, like with my funded futures, I might only be up $1,300. I take the $1,200 payout, and I start the account over. You know, it's $97, passing one day. If that makes sense. So, full port for the boys? No, I never have. Blue Sky. I really need to do some research. There is some traders in here that trade Blue Sky, but no, not me. See if I missed anyone. Sorry if I missed you guys in the chat, though. We've been in this trade here. I think I missed someone. Oh, JC Trades. What's going on? What's up, buddy? What's happening? Welcome, welcome. Hey, thanks, Kamet. That was a pretty good trade. Kind of on fire. I was gonna put my yeah, playing games, it is. You know, it's one of my things playing games is getting over that psychological barrier. So, for instance, when my take profit trader accounts, I try to get over that $2,000 trailing drawdown to get to a payout as fast as possible. Because I know myself where I don't have the discipline to trade 10 days without having a bad day. I know this about myself. I try every single day not to do it. It just happens. So I've tried to slow grind like a take profit trader, get to like $1,800, something over like the course of like 7-8 days, trading micros, and then end up blowing it. But lately in this market, I'm more profitable by waiting for a really good setup, something like that, and sending it with 1 or 2 minis. And then really trying to build it up. For instance, right here. These my funded future accounts. These are funded accounts. 54,000. That's 2 days. And then it's the starter accounts. That's just 2 days of trading. So I need to build these accounts up more. But I know tomorrow if I hit $1,100 daily drawdown, then I'm okay. Like that account's fine. So isn't this one. The max I can take is $1,200, but I have a nice buffer now where if I get these accounts up to $6,000, I'm gonna take a $1,200 payout and keep building it. That's kind of like how I've been evolving when it comes to the prop games, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm back to the chat. I'm on a tangent. Thank you, JC Trades. Appreciate that. Eddie, what's going on? Hey, Elena, how's it going? Oh no, Elena, that's gone. That's gone. Are you still in it, Elena? I lost it like second day. Trying to YOLO. Oh, so you're under that new dashboard, Smokey? Because I can't do that yet. Where they're turning your XFAs quicker. Turning your past combines in the XFAs. Full port for the boys. I've been working on the evals. They had a killer 55% off deal with no activation fee. They put you into live like TPT. Oh, is that with Blue Sky? Yeah, that's what you're talking about. Oh yeah, static. Yeah, I know. That's the thing I like most about it is the static. That is appealing. I love spending the weekend with my wife, dogs, and then sometimes the family. Yeah, sometimes, right? Hey BW, what's going on? I got 5 top step accounts with withdrawal balance of 2,500 each, so like 12K. Usually I take the payout and YOLO the balances for Hail Mary because barely any drawdown after. Yeah, so playing games like with XFAs, like I've built them up to like $9,000-$10,000, you know, before, and then blew them like 2 days later, 3 days later, you know, without taking the payout, and just done that too many times. But you kind of just gotta know yourself, you know, whether or not you can really build up the account, you know. Yeah, I mean, there's no shame in that, playing games, building up those accounts, for sure. You back in, Smokey? Hey, Dan, what's going on, buddy? Dan Emmons. He is back to 5555. Yeah, Blue Sky, I like that if you make 2K the first day. Oh, trust me, Smokey. Yeah, no buffer needed. Yeah, no, trust me, Smokey. I don't think too hard. I can't. I'm dumb. That's why I have dumb trades. See, these are dumb trades. Inside bars. Call them the dumb trades. It's like one's about ready to break now, but I don't know. We're up pretty good on this account right now, so could have a little breathing room. Hey guys, we just made 800 subs. Let's go. Check it out. Almost to 1,000. They're inside bars. They're just painted right here. Full port for the boys. LDT inside, outside bars. I just paint them yellow with this indicator here from Latter Day Trader. You can find it in the community indicators. But yeah, they're just inside bars on the 5-minute chart. That's it. I take a lot of trades off them. As you see, they work pretty well, depending on your size and risk. Normal. Pine Tree is going to be the next PW. I don't think so. Playing games, maybe in about 10 years. And he's much younger than me, so he's a nice head start. I wish, Dan. I wish I could do that for everyone. I also wish I could get free accounts. I can't wait to be able to get free accounts from some of these prop firms like most of the YouTubers get, and then be able to hand them out to you guys. I can't wait. Really. Like, sincerely. I can't wait to be able to do that. Yeah, we get to 1,000. I usually do one giveaway. We did one yesterday. I usually try to do one $30 giveaway a week. For now. Then over the weekend, I want to learn how to do that moose racing thing. How many subs do you need for that? Playing games? I don't know. They just kind of hand pick you, these props. Right now, it's getting hard, so. I've been amazed with myself growing a funded right now, under payout by day 5, and then blowing it up. Problem is mental, not about the setups. It's the mental that causes the blindness. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Wood chip. It's all psychological, for sure. I passed a 1,500 take profit trader. Let's see how it goes. Oh, nice, Eddie. So you passed. At 25K? Dude, Eddie, that's awesome. I got so many payouts this month with a 25K account. Like, you get over that trailing buffer and 1,500 bucks. It's much easier to get over it. I mean, yeah, you could possibly smoke the account, but without the trailing draw, well, not the trailing drawdown, without the daily loss limit, now it's much better, the 25K. When they had that hard breach daily loss limit, that was tough. This market's kind of slowed down a bit. Kind of just going sideways at the moment. Right here at 365s. Made some real nice trades tonight. I'm not unhappy about it. I actually crushed it last night too. Hopefully I can get this eval here passed. I'll have 3 starter accounts while these ones are up pretty nicely. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing okay. Inside bars is the first strategy you learn. It's classic. Yeah, I didn't know. No one ever told me, Nate. It was just, I literally just was scrolling through the indicators one day, you know, when I was new, just searching it out. And then recently, and of course I went away from it. And then recently I came back to it. And for the last year or so, it's kind of like, it's not the only thing I trade, but it can offer some pretty good entries for sure. Thanks, Smokey. Even though I can identify this, it's still hard to correct. Yeah, no. Oh, with Chip, I slipped into bad habits today. I started to slip bad. Caught myself too. I was like, so I'm slipping into my old game here. Started to feel a little tilty. I don't think I'm going to be able to see it, BW. It's so cloudy and foggy today. Nasty. But yeah, I bet it looks awesome. Back in November, I made 40K in Top Step XFA, then blew it without a payout. Haven't had a payout since either. Yeah, all psychological. But yeah, you ran it up to 40K, huh? Full port? Yeah. Wow. I mean, you did it once, you can do it again, for sure. I'll have to check it out a little bit later, BW. Yeah, it looks... I knew it was something last night because I could not sleep. You're in Jersey? Well, the weather's starting to break a little bit up here. I mean, starting to get a little warmer. My driveway is completely a mud run right now, which is something I'm gonna address. I couldn't drive a Lambo down my driveway at all. That would be something. You've been tilted ever since? Yeah, you just can't, like, yeah, you definitely can't try to get back losses, you know. But I know where you're coming from. Full port for the boys. I know where you're coming from. You know. You think about what happened in the past, you know. This might sound a little kooky, but this book might actually help. So yeah, Power of Now. Like, check that out. Might help you. I think it's really good. I think it applies, once you read it, it's not a trading book, but, you know, it really helps. You can apply a lot of that stuff to trading, in my opinion. When I read the book, I think, like, oh, this is me as a trader. So yeah, check that out. Hey, what's going on? Done it yourself, nearly every scenario. Highest balance, however, by some miracle was 8,000. Yeah. Why my back is sore, guys. Yeah, for sure, wood chip. Yeah, I know. If it happens. Market just went dead. Just barcoding here on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm not upset by not being in this market right now. Just kind of sitting on my hands right now. Up about $1,767 on this eval. We can get this one passed here tomorrow. Nice start though. What I like about hitting that daily drawdown on the day one, it's not a big deal because there's no consistency with my funded futures. Is that now I have $2,787 left of wiggle room tomorrow to get to 3,000. So I like that. The mental is the slowest and the hardest, yeah, for sure. And it's very deep-seated. One and done, take 1 or 2 trades a day, win or lose, and I lock out. Yeah, no, it's absolutely. Yeah, you know, when you're sitting here all day trading, sometimes it's like most of us got into trading for the freedom, right? And especially if you're trading full time, like you want to be a full-time trader for the freedom to not have to go to that 9 to 5 job and or whatever, you know, but a lot of us end up getting addicted and we end up sitting here all day to the charts. And then, you know, at the end of the day, it's like you really want to just, you know, make a few trades in the morning, make your money, get out and go touch grass, you know, go enjoy life. Go spend time with friends and family and whatever, you know, like that's the goal, right? But yeah, when you're getting addicted to the screens and scalping, and next thing you know, you've been sitting there for 10 hours and, you know, go smoke grass. Yeah, go smoke grass. Go touch grass. You know, do your thing. Whatever makes you happy, you know. I know it can push my demon tilt button so I don't put myself in that situation. Right. Finally activated my second ever funded account. Oh, nice. Oh. Congratulations. Planning to be more patient, just so I don't blow it. Well, good luck. Good luck. You can do it. Coming back to the VWAP here. Nice VWAP touch. Makes me a little nervous because we're kind of like high up here. Kind of feel 396, you know, could be a possible play here, but really feels kind of dumpy here. We could come down here and take out the 346 to 340s. We got a gap here, so we're breaking below the VWAP now. Oh, that's awesome, full-time trader. So you live on the water. That's awesome. But yeah, you gotta have hobbies and things that are not just trading. Hey Zoe, I don't have a candle timer. I just have the clock up here, which you guys can't see because of the stream, I don't think, or maybe you can. I don't have a candle timer. These are just 5-minute candles. So every 5 minutes, I know that the candle is going to change. You can put a candle timer on here somewhere. Yeah, right here. So on the chart, view settings, bar countdown, enabled, and it's right there. It's worse than Tony Hawk challenges. Boy, that Tony Hawk game back in the day with the PlayStation, man, that was a lot of fun. I'm traveling overseas next week for a month. I'm going to see how trading on the laptop works for me. Oh, nice playing games. Something you want to make sure you tell the props that you're trading. You're on vacation too. Like, let them know, so they don't think you're like scamming them with like some other trader or something that's trading for you, you know, wherever you're going. Never used to have to do that, but lately, you know, they're cracking down on that stuff. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, when I went to Florida playing games, I let them know. So I went to Maine to Florida, I let them know because... Yeah, right, Amelia. I mean, I don't know. I just have heard. Because where they've been cracking down so many people with... whatever. Other people are trading other people's accounts. So... that's why like they're trying to crack down on that. Because scammers and schemers. My son does that now. Make $2,500, $3,000. Get out. Up $24,000 this month. No joke. Yes, so I did my best trading when I was on vacation, like playing games. That's when I did my best trading, because I would trade in the morning, you know, for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 max. Made a few trades. If I was red, I was red. If I was green, I was green. But I did not want to sit in the Airbnb, and I was down there for 2 months. I did not want to sit in the Airbnb and on the charts all day on these little laptops. So I would just, you know, I was down in Florida. I went and did some fun things every day in the winter, and I traded my best. Because over trading for me is a killer. It's an absolute killer. You have a pontoon boat, a party barge, huh? Nice, full-time trader. I like the old party barges. Those are fun. Yep, they could. Yeah, you just send them a support. Say, I'm going to be on vacation. Plan on trading, so... But yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it playing games, but just something to be aware of, you know? Something to be aware of. Because there's just been a lot of things that's happened where people end up paying these services to trade their accounts. And yeah. Which is crazy to me. Yeah, that's another thing. That's another good point, Amelia. Thank you. A lot of these prop firms like My Funded Futures and Bulanox, they have that inactivity rule. So yeah, and Take Profit Trader and Tradeify. So pretty much all of them. So if you guys ever go on vacation for more than a week, you want to make sure that you tell them, because they will nab you for they'll close your account, which is wrong. It's wrong, flat out. So almost 90 people watching, guys. We had almost, we had 121 people for the peak today, guys. If you guys can do me a favor and just smash the like button, that helps out the channel, helps out the YouTubes. Appreciate you guys hanging out here on a, what the heck is it, Thursday night? Market reopen. We have haven't done much trading here in a few minutes, but made some nice trades. Get this account up to $1,767. Looks like it wants to bounce the VWAP here, 350s. Hey, Unique Team, what's going on? You read I got an Apex 50K account. First day made 850, second day 1226, third day 981. How much? I know what you're saying. All right. 850, 1226, 981. Dude, I am the worst at math, Unique Team. Just really sorry. Does anyone else know? I'm the worst. Let's see. So you made. So your highest amount is 12,12,6. Do you see me sweating? See, look at these people. This is why I keep you guys around. Well, we got two answers here. All right, 3678, 4086. Highest day divided by 0.3. There are 30% consistency. Yes, Amelia. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Dan, divided by. I'm such an idiot. I don't know math. I mean, I literally, like, 6th grade education from myself. So, it's not really true, but that's when I stopped learning and I started chasing girls. And, yeah, I'm an idiot. $4,086. That's what we got there. Unique Team, 4,086 total profit. Which seems to let me get right up there. So you're getting pretty close. Nice work, by the way, nice work. Hey, Daryl's not sack. What's going on, Donna? The Wild West Trading Hour, yeah. That's kind of the way I trade, Daryl. Daryl is, I try not to worry about it too much, because if it gets in my head, then I start thinking about those numbers, you know. And I'll, like... All right, so we're just kind of at 360s now. We bounced off the VWAP, put in another inside bar. Haven't taken a trade in like 15 minutes, but yeah, I'm feeling a little tired. It was a long night, long day, long night. That's exactly what they want, Daryl. This is exactly what they want. That's why I haven't been like these accounts right now. I haven't been worrying about the consistency rule. When I get to a payout, I get to a payout. But for now, I'm gonna try to keep building these accounts up, build that buffer up as much as I can. You know, $54,199 right now on those. So Market is dead. Where's all the volume we have had lately? Yeah, so what do we have for news tomorrow? Let's check it out. So we have PPI and unemployment today. And tomorrow, University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment at 10 a.m. Nothing really after. It could pick up. The volatility could pick up at any time. I don't know if Trump's speaking at any time tonight or what. But usually, you know, after 8 o'clock, it starts to pick up a little bit more. You get that injection of volume. Yeah, unique team. Sounds like you're trading them very well, man. Congratulations. Just keep grinding. Keep grinding. You'll get there. But you still gotta get your trading days in, so too. Which is what, 8 now? It used to be 10, but I think it's 8. Yeah, it does. It does tend to move the market, Amelia. Surprisingly, never really used to, but now it does. Oh no, Kevin. Sorry to hear that, Kevin. What line of work were you in, if you don't mind? Just like, not the company or anything, but just kind of curious. Sorry to hear that, man. Cybersecurity engineer. Sorry to hear that, man. London session should be a good GDP. Glorified nerd. Yeah. Yeah, my one of my brothers does something like that. He's a half brother, like my mother had another child or whatever, and you can tell he got that side from his father. Because I'm an idiot when it comes to computers or anything like that, technology. But yeah. Yeah, London session should be pretty good. I will be sleeping, hopefully. Last night I was not sleeping. I should have been. But I wasn't watching the charts either. I've only been trading for a few months, but I've been in a good place financially, so I'm going all in. Yeah, just try to keep your expenses as low as possible, Kevin. You know, just try to keep them low. You know, it is a grind, for sure. It took me a couple years to become profitable, so. But it is a grind. But I used to, last year, I was doing DoorDash and everything else to try to pay for evaluations and stuff, you know? Just kind of like had to do what I had to do. Now it's kind of turned the corner a little bit, so hopefully I keep it going. As long as I don't do anything tilty like I did today, I tried to do on my personal account. I ended up getting in the hole few thousand, but we're up quite a bit on the personal this month, 20K or something, so it wasn't a big deal. And I think my largest day the other day, which I showed you guys, was like $7,400. But in this market, it's not hard to have that change. Let's see. Yeah, we're up $20,526 this month on the personal futures, which is pretty good. And I felt like it was like I was refusing to give up the loss today, you know. But yeah, it almost came with a price though, Amelia, today, because I was so red hot, and then I was not feeling it today, and almost bit me in the ass, you know. Learn to walk before you start to run. Yeah, yo, Jim. Back from Costco. I had you guys on to the whole time. I don't think I missed much. Thanks, Fred. We've been hanging. We've been trading pretty good, too, tonight, Fred. Trading real nice. I haven't made a trade in probably 20 minutes, but market kind of went dead. Had a nice little drop there, but yeah, it just kind of went dead. Nice little push off here, off the inside bar in the VWAP. But it's really not moving with any momentum now. It's starting to really feel like the slow markets. But thank you, Fred. Yeah. Like a lot of like Dan Emmons in the chat, like he don't mind me saying this because he puts it on his social media, but he does like Walmart Spark and DoorDash and things like that to help, well, to pay his bills and to just help with his trading to get more accounts and stuff. And he just posted in the Discord that he got more accounts, so he's already got them back to, he picked up some XFAs. If you guys are new to the channel or whatever, I'll put the link to the Discord. It's completely free. Some really good traders in there. Which I try to keep the Discord super simple. It's just a few categories, so if you're if you want to join the Discord right there, it's completely free. Just trying to build a nice little community up. Just don't be a jerk in there. If you are, we'll just kick you out anyway. But no, we got some nice people in here. Really good traders. Dan is grinding hard. Yeah, he is. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, it's. Hey, thanks for the sub. Touch of Modern Trading. If I missed you guys tonight, sorry. The chat was popping off, which is awesome, guys. I really appreciate the support. I really appreciate you guys hanging out here at nighttime with me. It's been awesome. I don't have to sit here and talk to myself out loud, which is really nice. So yeah. Really appreciate the love and the support. And we are over 800 subs now, guys. On the way to 1,000. All organically, too. I didn't buy any subs. I didn't do any of that stuff. It's all organic. So it's because you guys want to be here. And yeah, it's awesome. Hey, Newts, what's going on, buddy? Hey, War. No, Maine. I'm up here in Maine. Thank you, Donna. It is the 8 o'clock there. Wow, look at that bounce off the VWAP. Look at that. Rocket ship. Look at that. Right to the tick. Payne has a Louisiana accent, and but from Maine. Yeah. Oh, Pine, yeah. I might for Louisiana. That's Maine accents there. It's, you know, the car. Park the car in the dooryard. So park the car in the dooryard. No R's. All H's. Touch of modern trading. What's going on? Just gonna stop that on my short. Yeah, and then now it's going without you. The nasty Nasdaq. Touch of modern. Sorry to hear about that. Oh, that was a big drop. Filled that gap. Right there, right where it is, right here, 338. Yeah, it was just pure chop. Now it's actually moving now. It's moving again. Thankfully. This music's intense. See, I'm going to work on the playlist and music. I just got this website downloaded, so hopefully I don't get copyright strikes again. Or not strikes, but just I can't monetize my videos with the music I was playing, so I want to play around with that playlist over the weekend too. Try to get a little mix in. I like to have a little vibe. Yeah, we got some volume pumping in too. Yeah, BS algorithms, yeah. That's all it is now. NASDAQ. That's all it is. Trend is your friend, not in the end. Trend is your friend until it's not, right? Yeah, just a rug pull there. Nasty. Not too good, Fred. Yeah, no, not too good. Not too good. I got 2 my funded futures now. It's actually going backwards. 1 Buellanox, 2 my funded futures, take profit traders, 2 of those. The pro accounts. I need to just wait for them for my 5 days, and yeah, I'm working on some Tradeifys, evals, and another my funded futures, and I'm also working on some combines for Top Step as well. So yeah, kind of feel like I'm all over the place lately. Hey John, what's going on? Mark Dark Pools, great book called Dark Pools about the CME high frequency companies and algos. Yeah, I think I've heard of that, John. I think I've heard of that book. Yeah, not too bad, Fred. Not too bad, but like I was saying earlier, Fred, is just like I feel like because I've been making such good money on my personal account that the other accounts have been suffering because I just don't have the patience with the props. And you guys know, these accounts are tiny, and there's not much drawdown, especially like when I'm trying to trade larger size. Of course, I could switch to 1 or 2 micros, like a responsible person. But I just struggle with that too, with over trading and things like that. So I trade the best when I traded 1 mini, adding a second, sniper entries, things like that. But yeah, just thoughts. Just thoughts. It did too, Nate. Tag the old exit. Right back up here, 350s. nasty doji candle there. That 8 o'clock 5-minute candle, just complete nastiness. Just took out everyone. Long, shorts, in betweens. It's totally nasty. But yeah, guys, I'm getting a little tired. I was up all night last night, so, and I traded quite a bit today, but I usually ended around here, couple hours stream at night. Use my code PINE, Buellanox and Apex, guys. Last night for them, 83% off, 80% off there. So last night for that, I don't know if it'll get extended or not. I don't have a clue. But yeah, I really appreciate the support, you guys. You've been using that. If you guys are using Tradeify, just hit my link in the chat or my description, whatever, and then use the default code if you want to help support my channel. That's how I get credit, because they won't give me a code yet until I get over $1,000 in sales. So, or commissions or something, I don't know. And if you guys are using Take Profit Trader, Terry Trades 100, all caps, my friend. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna go eat some grub. I'm gonna shower and rest up. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow, probably at some point. Maybe I'll do a little different stream tomorrow. Maybe a little afternoon stream or something. I don't know. We'll see. Try to see if we can draw in some different folks. I don't know. But I obviously won't be on tomorrow night. Markets will be closed. But if not, then I'll definitely see you guys Sunday night for the Sunday night kickoff. Right? Sunday night kickoff stream. But I appreciate the new subs. Smash the like button on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and use code PINE, Buellanox and Apex. Last night, today's the last night, so let's get those codes in. So appreciate it, guys. Thank you everyone for the support, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. We're over 800 subs, guys. Over 800. Awesome. Have a good night. Yeah, check out Stock Tiger. I'll be over there.